Hello, I'm Andrew, and I made a Hangman game. My goal is to make a Hangman game that works. My design was that a hanging place would be drawn, and a kid's body would be slowly drawn for every single letter you got wrong. No, there's no build. I spent a long time drawing the game. The next slide has all my drawings. If the numbers weren't right, I have to keep guessing and checking and retesting the code. Sometimes it would go to decimals. I would also have to guess the diameter or circumference of the circle. Yeah, that's my code. On my other code, this part's setting up all the game, and this is playing the game part. Yeah. I tested this more than 75 times. Every single drawing that wasn't correct, I have to keep redrawing it. The problem was that the blank letter wouldn't be replaced. For example, if the word was piggy, it would show 5 blanks. But if I guessed the word G, it would just stick a G inside the 5 blanks. It doesn't replace the blank, and it doesn't put both letters. Oh. I fixed this problem by having one word to guess from, and it has one of every letter. Not every. If I had more time, I would try to add more words and make the code work. I would also add more to the drawing. Wait, I never even opened the code. Yeah, you guess the letter. If you guess it correct, it goes in there. If you guess a wrong letter, it starts drawing. You keep getting wrong. And yeah, closes the game.
Any question? No?
Try it again. What if you
Show us again.
I mean, do we just each time does it generate a new word? Or?
No, if I had many words, but the code wouldn't work. So I just searched up on the internet longest word with only one of each letter.
Question?
What happens if you get it right?
The kid survives.
Yeah, he survived.
Uncopyable.
But so you should add it,
Uncopyright.
each time you got it wrong, you should add a word like a good job or something. Because otherwise, how do we know we got it right?
It replaces one of the blanks, and it doesn't draw anything.
Yeah, but it doesn't show the word somewhere.
Uncopyrightable.
Right there.
It shows down the paper.
Oh, okay.
Uncopyrightable.
Oh, closes the code. Yeah.
Save.
Any question? Please give him a round of applause.